I wish more people knew what Hair Club is really all about, and it's helping everybody who's experiencing anything with their hair. Whether it's style issues, they don't even have to have hair loss, or it's somebody who's, advanced hair loss who has, maybe an older gentleman who has just the horseshoe on top. So go and at least talk to somebody. You're only hurting yourself or taking away from yourself if you don't make that move. Go understand the options, understand the solutions, and then make an educated decision on what you want to do to move forward. There's a lot of consultation options today, which I think is really cool. Hair Club is definitely trending with, doing things virtually, where, it seems to be the movement lately. So, so you can come into the center and you can have a live one-on-one consultation, or you could do a virtual consultation. So you could literally be in the privacy of your own home, and you could meet with somebody via Zoom and have a full-on consultation and get all your questions answered. If there's people that are out there, that have severe hair loss, or even if they have, more than 50% of their hair is missing and they're worried about making that step, you just have to do it. There's no reason that you shouldn't. It looks good. It's so natural. It feels natural. Nobody knows. And in today's society, it's normal. Everybody's doing it. It's on Instagram, Facebook. It's all over social media. It's actually cool to go get your hair back if you lost it. So do it. Go and get your hair back. That's what I would tell people. If you're watching this video and you're interested in finding out more about hair loss and solutions to get your hair back, text the word Jeff to 694247 for $250 off select solutions.